Hi, I'm Irving Gonzales. I'm the mixologist here at Zenico, and today we're going to talk a little bit about mezcal and tequila. We're going to do a little tasting, and obviously we're going to make a great margarita. First thing you need to know about a good tequila and mezcal tasting is, take this away. All right, so as you might know, tequila and mezcal, it's basically from Mexico. We're going to start in order. We're going to go for like a really smooth silver one. We're going to go for a reposado, then we're going to jump for like a really great mezcal from Durango and a mezcal from Oaxaca. So with tequila, the first hit needs to be obviously the alcohol, followed by a grassy flavor. Really kind of like earthy, really fresh. That's the thing that you want to do. So reposado from Don Julio. You can see the difference. See, it's kind of like a little bit yellowish. So reposado tequila has been aged between 5 months to a year in a barrel. Could be oak, could be American barrel, whatever the master distiller wants. But again, same ingredients, blue agave Weber, only made in tequila. Reason how to do this, like you just kind of like ferment the pineapple. The pineapple is the heart from the agave. Take the leaves out, press it, then leave it to ferment. After that, you're gonna have like all the fermentation from the juices, pass it through a distill process, and then you will have the tequila here. What are you looking for? This is more on the wood flavor. You're gonna have more kind of like that earthy aroma as well as the flavor. There you go. So not as grassy as the beginning, not as grassy as that one. It's more on the oak, more on the kind of like barrel. So really good tequila. The difference between tequila and mezcal is the agave that you're using, but also is the region that you're kind of like making the mezcal from. But this one is Durango, so the flavor is going to be more, a little bit more sweet, more grassy. And this agave that we're using right now is cenizo. It's a different kind of agave. The regular one, or the most common one, is Espanol. This is way different, really smoky aroma, really more on the grass side. And my favorite, Izo, is a great option for you guys, but really, really, really tasty. Now let's jump for a really kind of like easy cocktail. We're just gonna make a variation between a margarita and a paloma. So this time we're just gonna mix it with Izo Mezcal. I really like that option. So half cup of lemon juice, half cup of grapefruit juice. This one, if you want to go for simple syrup, go for it. Half ounce of simple syrup. This case is half ounce of agave. Do 1 ounce of Izo Mezcal. This is the kind of color that we're looking for. Like a really nice linkage. So here you go. This is snake oil margarita. Cheers, guys. Thank you.